and gentlemen, we have some big news here. Our Wheels has made another Koenigsegg. This is the Koenigsegg Gemera, the fastest and quickest four-seater car ever made. It has a top speed is 250 miles per hour. 0-60 time is 2.6 seconds. Which is pretty insane for a Koenigsegg. I say so myself. Let's see in the back part and see what this Koenigsegg will have in store. Alright, here we go. This one is made. I kind of know. I don't even know what name it is, but I know it's a Swedish car, so it's made in Sweden. Alright, let's see the descriptions about this car. A hypercar that sees more than two? You're not dreaming! The first ever four-seater hypercar, the Gemera, can go up to 250 miles per hour, like I always said earlier. Ride in style and bring the whole family. Yeah, this Koenigsegg is a family hypercar. But however, there's only gonna be 300 of these cars ever made, and for the entire world. So yeah, I think these cars will be very rare. Alright, let's open it up and get a closer look at it. Hold on one. There we go, got it. Look at this Koenigsegg. It's very nice. And we watched the actual video of the real version. The doors actually open very differently. You guys had not watched those videos. Search up the videos of the Koenigsegg Gemera, and you will find out yourself. Alright, I'm ending this video. I'll see you guys soon, and I will be back with more drag racing videos. Stay tuned for that. See you later.